How to import products from AliExpress Shopify Dropshipping DSERS tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you a quick tutorial how you can import your product from DSERS to your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's get started.
So here to start, you just need to log in or you just need to create an account if you don't have an account yet. It's super easy to create an account here. You just need to click try it free. Just provide your email and then create a strong password. And once done, just click on create an account button. And let me just fill out this form very quickly. After that, you just need to connect your Shopify store. And by the way, you may also connect your WooCommerce and CSV files or Wix store here. So for today's tutorial is about Shopify. So let me choose Shopify here. So I will just be quick in creating my Shopify store. So bear with me and I will be right back after. So stay tuned. So I just created my Shopify store to link the two up and click here to install. Next step is to select a plan. So I will just click the free plan here. It says no credit card needed for the paid plan if you select this paid plan, but they will ask you for your billing information if you select this. So I will just select free. Then let's also link the AliExpress. I will just log into my AliExpress account. So for those who don't have a AliExpress account, then no worries. You can simply create your AliExpress account. They have their simple guide. Alright, so I will just go ahead and log in to my AliExpress account. And after the login, I will just go ahead and authorize. And after the authorization, I will be prompted here. We have three options over here to let's start the ordering process, let's start importing products, and I will explore freely and learn later. So I will just go ahead and select the third one so that I can explore the software. So this is the main dashboard. So here from your main dashboard, you have your AliExpress supplier. So here on your left sidebar, you can see here different tab and you are in the find supplier now. So you can see here different products that you can choose from. So just select or search for the keyword of the product that you would like to sell in your Shopify store. So for example, let's search for mini dress. So here's the result for the mini dress that we search. So you just need to look for the product here and of course with a low price. And once you find the product that you like, then you can just click this one here to add it to your list. So add to import list. And let's just stay. And then once you added all the product that you like, then you can go to your import list here. It's where you can see all the product that you selected or that you added to your list. So here are the product that we imported here. So for you to push it to your Shopify store, you just need to select the product that you want to. So here and this one. And then you just need to push to Shopify for this one to be added in your Shopify store. So let's go ahead and click on it. So here, select store to publish the product. So we only have one store here. But if you have multiple store, then you have different option. But mine, I only have one. So down here you have your pricing rule. So what is this? So please note pricing rule includes pricing templates, currency, and assigned cents. If you check this box, the pricing rule will be applied to your product's prices according to the pricing rules you set in your settings. So you can set this one up here in your settings, but for now let's check it. So let's go ahead and push it to Shopify. Also, let's publish to online store. So push to Shopify, and it may take a few minutes to complete the process. So we have two here successful and one failed. So it could be that the product is not available or there's no stock. That's why it's not completed. So let's check the status. Okay, so yes, this is the reason why it has an error. So let's just skip this one. So we successfully imported our product here to our Shopify store. And to change the pricing rules, so you have here in your settings. So here just click pricing rule and here your store. So here's my Shopify store. So I will just go ahead and enable this one. So just give me a moment. And then here I can add the markup that I would like to add to all the products that I will be getting from DSERS to my Shopify store. Or I can also multiply some percentage to mark up to each of the product. And after that, you can also set up your shipping information here so that the product shipped to your customers will be your shipping address instead of your supplier's shipping information. Also, the order here, you can send a message to your supplier like, I'm doing drop shipping. Please do not put any invoices, QR codes, promotion, or your brand name logo in the shipments. Please ship as soon as possible for repeat business. Thank you. So this information, you can send this one so that your supplier will not include their shipping information when you are doing drop shipping, so that you can add your personal information instead. And here you can set up your PayPal so that you can receive the payment from your buyer, and also your shipping confirmation, and set up your notification here. For example, for inventory, get notified when product is out of stock or not available anymore. For the price, get notified when supplier price change on AliExpress. And for any canceled order. So here you can also see your reporting. So here's your sales report. You can see everything here, and also your open orders. Here you can track it. So now let's check my website just to see if the product that we added has been imported to our Shopify store. So I will click my store here, and down here I can see the product that I added earlier. So here you can see the price of the product also added here. And when I click this product, it has its own product page. So you can see here the information of the product, the colors available, the description, and everything. So it's less hassle in your end because there's no need for you to create a product page to each of your product, because DSERS will automatically provide it to you the product information, which is really awesome. So I guess that's all for today's video.